Hey guys, I'm showing you this Wiflyer 4G LTE dongle. This is a USB-C and a USB dongle, and this is a portable travel mobile hotspot with a mini cellular modem router with a SIM card slot. It's unlocked, plug and play. So let me show it to you. So this is the small 4G LTE hotspot, and this have the USB-C connector here that can goes into your laptop or mobile. This comes with this USB-C to USB converter that you can just use this and becomes the USB. This is the SIM slot that you can put in your SIM, and this is already unlocked, so you don't need to bother about any other carrier or anything. So manual that explains, but this is plug and play, so this is not a problem. So I'm just putting in the SIM. Just having the click one and use it into the laptop. So this is the USB-C port directly, and it will just connect. The light will be on, and you can see the connection becomes the Ethernet connection. So the light, you can see, like start blinking, that means it's working. And here also you can see the Ethernet connection that is already connected. So it's a useful portable thing for the travel.